Hey, it's Doug from Doug and Nikki, and I am here with Kona, and we are here with a very special unboxing and new item to set up here in the new Doug and Nikki unfinished studio for Amazon. But in any case, let's get to the business. This is a really cool refrigerator, so we could have ice cold beverages up here whenever we're working, doing live streams for you. Let's open it up, see what it looks like. I will share some information with you in terms of what it's about, how much soda it can hold, all that kind of things. But let's get the unboxing done, and then we'll talk about its features and set it up. Okay, so now that we're done with that noise and mess, scared Nikki downstairs. Anyway, I do not consider this to be mini. This bad boy holds 130 cans of soda. 130. That's a lot of teeth rotting it out right there. But it is perfect for our studio here. We're upstairs in the house, and we don't want to have to run up and down to get a nice cool water, so we can keep our vocal tones excellent for you. But in any case, I'll finish unpacking it. We'll set it up, turn it on. You can see what it looks like. But this thing is so neat. I can see it already comes with 5 shelves. It's cool glass front. This thing is just, it's sexy. Can a mini fridge be sexy? I don't know. Anyway, it's perfect for me. Let's finish setting it up. Okay, I have it plugged in. As you cannot hear, it is very silent. It is so cool looking. You like the cool LED light look. Let me turn out the lights. Let's see what it looks like. How cool is that? Oh, I love the way that looks. Okay, so there are very few settings to know about this. Important to know, you can easily switch the door from opening right to left. Very easy. 2 hinges, you just move them, swap them out. That's easy to do. You obviously have a setting where you can either have the light on or the light off. And you have temperature settings where you can move the temperature up or down depending upon what so it's set to go to 34 right now. You can move it up or down. There's a power on and off button as well. And I think this is so cool. I am so excited to have it. So Kona would like you to see this maneuver? He's telling you, give it one of these. In any case, Kona would like you to know that if you like this video and it was helpful for you deciding whether you want to get this or not, please give us one of these at the bottom of the screen. Additionally, Nikki and I would love it if you would follow us here on Amazon. We do lives, and if you follow us on our Amazon influencer page, you will get notifications when we go live, so you can jump in the live stream and chat with us. Let us know what you're up to, what you're liking, what you're not liking on Amazon. Anyway, we'll see you next time.